Dear student, good morning. Today's topics are electronic configurations of elements or drawback and the advantage of modern periodic table. So let me start. The classification of metals and non-metals. Metal comprise more than 78% of the all known elements and appear on left hand side in a modern periodic table. Generally solid except mercury. It's a room temperature, it's a liquid and it's also belong to metal. Gallium is also the lower melting point. Cesium is also very lower melting points, and they have very low melting points metal, but they are considered to metal. They have some many characteristics belong to the metal properties. So non-metal are present on the right hand side. Usually solid or gases at room temperature. Low melting and boiling points are the main feature of the metal, except boron and carbon. Bromine is only liquid non-metal. And metalloids are semi-metal, so property both metals and non-metals. For example, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, etc. They are considered as a metalloid. They form bordering zigzag line with separate metal and non-metal in a modern periodic cell. So student, if we divided the elements, so these are three big category: metals, non-metals and metalloids. So student, the advantage of long form of periodic table is first one is the modern periodic table based on atomic number, which is a more fundamental property of the element. Second advantage is position of placing isotopes, means atomic number same. So at one's place is fully justified because atomic number has different atomic mass, but their atomic number is same. So in a Mendel periodic table, and the different atomic base, because they form the periodic table on the base of atomic weights. So its atomic weight is not correct feature. The unique property of all the elements are atomic number. So this problem is solved by the modern periodic table. Third is governed by the electronic configuration, which determine their properties, and it's easy to remember and reproduce. And fifth one, systematic grouping of elements into four block S, P, D and F has made the study more simple. And sixth one, lanthanoid and actinoid, which have different property from other groups, are placed separately at the bottom of periodic table. So student, our modern periodic table is justified to all the elements and they are removed all the difficulties faced by the Mendel periodic table, but they have some defects produced by the long form of periodic table. They are: the position of hydrogen is not settled. It resembles with alkali metal as well as halogens. However, it has been placed with alkali metal. So position of hydrogen in a modern periodic table is not justified. In modern periodic table is put up on the alkali metal, but it is not the correct place because they have some similar feature with the halogen. The lanthanoid and actinoids have not been accommodated in the main body of periodic table because in a they have a separate place in a modern periodic table, so they have no a perfect there. So these are the minor defects which are showing by the periodic table, but it's also the reply of many questions which raised in the mainly periodic table. So the predication of a period, group and block of any element is very easy by the modern periodic table. Period is equal to the principal quantum number, means small n, of balance cell. So easily we can say this is the period of this group. For example, sodium, their last electron enter into the 3s1 subcell. So the 3 is the principal quantum number, means sodium belong to the third period. And group is equal to the number of electron in outermost cell or penultimate last but one and minus one electron. For S block and magnesium electric configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So 3s2 means group number is equal to number of subcell. So there are 2 electron in last subcell, means the group number of magnesium is 2. So we easily predicted by the showing the electronic configuration. This is the group number of this element. For p block element, bromium have electric configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p5. So their group number are 10 plus number of s and p subcell. So 10 plus 2 plus 5, 4s2, 4p5. So the bromine group number is 17. So easily by we related to the principal quantum number, the Last subshell number electrons we can add into 10, so we easily predicted by the what are the group number of the element. For D block, for example, silver 49, configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p5, 4d10 and 5s1. So group number is equal to 10 plus number of S subcell means 10 plus 1. So the group number of silver is 11. So student, you can easily predict it by the group number. You can add the outer last electron related to the principal quantum number subcell and add to the 10. So the question based on these topics, first one, what is the basic difference in approach between Mendeleev's periodic law and modern periodic law? So Mendeleev periodic law states the physical and chemical property of the elements are periodic function of their atomic weight, but modern periodic law said state the physical and chemical property of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number. So next question is 3.4, on the basis of quantum number justified that 6 period of periodic table should have 32 elements. So n is equal to 6 means it belongs to 6 period, and the electric configuration are 6s, 4f, 5d and 6p. So subcell increasing order of energy, if we take the above series example, so S subcell has 2 electron hold, 4f 14, D subshell hold the 10 electron maximum, P hold the 6. So 2 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6, it's equal to 32. It means the period number 6 can hold maximum elements are 32. So easily you can predict it. Next question is 3.5, in terms of period and groups, where would you locate the element with Z114, means their atomic number is 114. So Z114 electronic configuration is equal to radon 86, it's an inert gas, then 5 of 14, 6d10, 7s2 and 7p2. So the last principal 7s2, 7p2 means period is 7 because the principal quantum number last subcell is 7. Group always be equal to 10 plus ns electron plus np electrons. So it's equal to 10 plus 2 plus 2, it's 14 group member. Block is equal to subcell where last electron entered, the last electron entered into the p subshell, so it's a p block elements and it is flavorium. You can easily see by the your table. Next 3.6 NCERT question, write the atomic number of the element present in the third period and 17th group of the periodic table. So period is equal to principal quantum number is third, group is 17th group because the configuration 17th group are ns2 and p5. So 10 plus 2 plus 5, it's equal to 17 group. Number of electron is equal to ns2 and p5 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So the atomic number of the element is 17 and its element is chlorine, which is atomic number 17. Their mass is 35.5. Next NCERT 3.7 question, which element do you think have been named as Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory and Seaboard's group? So Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory is belong to the Lawrencium and Seaboard's group is belong to the Seaboardsium Z106. The doubt is raised in our mind, what are the cause of periodicity? So the reoccurrence of similar property of the elements after certain regular intervals when they are arranged in the order of increasing atomic numbers is called periodicity. Electronic configuration of alkali metal in valence shell, S subshell has 1 electron. So extra than previous novel gas configuration, so they are showing their periodic behavior. Means the outermost valence electron are showing the regular pattern. So why this reason the periodicity are repeat and the group members are showing the just similar chemical. So a student, electronic configuration of alkali metal in valence shell means S subshell has 1 electron extra than previous novel gas configuration. For example, lithium is the helium noble gas configuration 1s2 and in lithium 2s1. Sodium has 3s1, potassium 4s1, rubidium 5s1, cesium 6s1, and francium is 7s1. So in a last cell they have 1 electron in their shell. So they are showing the periodicity or the same chemical nature, same. So why this reason? The next one is electron configuration of halogen in balanced cell. P subcell has one electron less than nearest noble gas configuration. For example, fluorine, the configuration are 2s to 2p5, neon is 2s to 2p6, chlorine 3s to 3p5, argon is showing 3s to 3p6, bromine it's 4s to 4p5, and iodine it's 5s to 5p5. So due to this reason, the halogens are showing the same chemical behavior. So student, I hope this video is more informative for you. In this video you can watch all the things which are question related to the electronic configurations of the elements. For example, in a alkali metals, in a halogens, and the pause condition of a video. You can easily again and again you watch this video and you can understand all the complex topic. So electronic configuration, these are the reason of cause of periodicity, it's explained. Same outer electronic configuration are showing the same cause of periodicity. NCRT 3.7, 3.6, 3.5, 3.4, 3.3, and these are based on this portion, and we easily predicted by the electric configuration the principal quantum number is say about the period, and the outermost electron if we add, so they are showing the group, and the outermost electron subshell is also said about the block of elements. And these are the defects in long form of periodic table, these are the advantage, and the classification of metal and non-metal which are described by the Lavoisier, which is present time it's not good, but in a modern periodic table the left hand side carry the metals and right hand side carry the non-metals, and a diagonal joined by the metalloids. So students, I hope this video is more informative for you. So student, it's my suggestion, then you can learn easily the atomic number, the symbol, and the element's name. It's very useful for you. So in a pose condition you can easily understand the atomic number, the elements and their symbol. These are the 118 elements, atomic number, their name. These are the electronic configurations. You easily watch this. In a pause condition you can easily learn about that. The So student, I hope this video is increase the knowledge for you. So thanks a lot, thank you very much.